The United Nations has predicted a grim future for the Arab world. Arab economies could shrink by 5.7% because of the Wuhan virus pandemic. At least a quarter of the Arab population could be pushed into poverty. In short, there are hard times in store for this region. In Saudi Arabia, the government is considering all options, including imposing income tax. Yes, there is no income tax in Saudi Arabia, and it's not the only country. There are others. This report tells you more.
Saudi Arabia is headed towards its deepest contraction in 30 years. It is set to shrink by 6.8% in 2020. What is Riyadh planning to do about it? Ask people to cough up cash. Reports claim that Saudi Arabia may ask its citizens to pay income tax. Did you not know that the Saudis do not pay income tax? Well, now you do. Expats and corporates pay a 20% income tax. And there is a flat 20% federal tax for all. Nothing more, nothing less. The world's biggest oil-producing nation is quite soft on its residents. We are referring to taxation, strictly. Saudi Arabia uses petroleum revenue to provide for its nationals. But crude prices are sliding as if laced with petroleum jelly. And exports are down 65%, courtesy the Wuhan virus. There is no money in Riyadh's coffers. So push comes to shove, the Saudis will have to cough up cash. Here's a question. Say Saudi Arabia introduces income tax, will more countries follow suit? As there are more. While most of us struggle to keep up with tax laws, there are some people who pay virtually no income tax. Zero. Where do they live? United Arab Emirates. The country is rich in natural resources. It does not really need money from its citizens. The result? Tax-free salaries. Corporate tax is levied only on foreign banks and oil companies. Neighbouring Qatar too has no personal income tax for individuals. Kuwait and Oman aren't fans of individual tax either. In the Caribbean country of Bahamas, even corporates do not have to pay taxes. But when it comes to tax havens, Panama takes the cake. Do you know why? Forget individual income tax, the country does not even tax offshore companies. It is no wonder Panama is a favourite among the richy rich. Remember the Panama Papers? Let's now look at the other side of the coin. Countries with pocket-burning income tax. Do you want to settle in Sweden? Don't. It has the world's highest income tax rate, 57.1%. Portugal is next on the chart with a tax rate of 56.5%. Japan is number 3. It taxes 55.95% of its citizens' income. Next is Denmark. Its total tax rate is around 55.8%. Austria too is very tax demanding. Its residents pay up to 55% in tax. Where does India stand? Somewhere in the middle of the chart. 30% being its highest income tax slab. Still too high if you ask us. Keep this chart in mind the next time you are planning on relocating. Bureau Report, WION World is One.